This is Narayana from Narayana Techniques. So today's our topic is while loop and purpose of while loop, differences between do while and some of the examples using the while loop. In the previous video, we just given do while and examples of do while mechanism. So as we know that in do while, first it executes do block statements, then it checks the condition. While condition is true, again pass the control to the same do block to repeat the statements. That situation happening until the condition is false. Is nothing but in do while, first irrespective of the condition, it will execute one time, because first execute do block statement, then only checking the condition. That is nothing but the do while. When we'll use the do while loop, when we require to repeat one or more times. Now the second one is while. It has come to the while. What is while here? Initialization value, while condition. In case if the first time condition is false, it will not execute while block statement. So while condition is true, it will enter to the while block, then execute the statements. After modification, again pass the control to the same while to check this condition is true or false. So while true, again pass the control to the same while block statements to execute. So this situation, what is situation? Checking the condition is true, execute while block statements. Again pass the control to same while condition to check the condition is true or false. While true, repeat these statements. So this situation is going to happening until this condition is false. Whenever this condition is false, then it will come out from this while block here. So it's nothing but, so do while you are going to using one or more times, but while will be going to using for only more times, 0 or more times, or only more times. Do while is for one or more times, while will be used whenever we require to be repeat more times. So that should be remember. So now we'll just come to the some examples using while loop. Now first example, we are just considering here. Write a C program to print sum and average of 1 to n natural numbers. So it's nothing but we want to be printed sum and average of 1 to n natural numbers here. So what is our input requirement from this given example? Number. So that is, so sum of 1 to n, nothing but that n value you may be required to be calculating sum of 1 to 10, maybe sum of 1 to 50, sum of 1 to 99, or sum of 1 to 9999. So it depends upon the user n natural values here. So that's why we required input is n value. That is, depends on input of n, we need to calculate a sum and average of natural values. Now just come to our program. Now what is our requirements of variables in this program? That is, input is number, that is n, then sum equivalent to 0, average, then I equivalent to 1. Why we are considering 1 here? Because we require to calculate sum of 1 to n natural numbers. Now input is enter the value of n, scanf %LD the value of n. Then while, what is while here? Condition. What is our requirement is calculating sum and average of 1 to n natural numbers. Nothing but sum of 1 to n. Sum of 1 to n means the loop has to be repeat from 1 to up to n number of times. So between 1 to n, nothing but I should less than or equivalent to up to n. Up to n. So after n, it should be false and come out from the loop. So that's why our condition is I less than or equivalent to n. Now first time I value is, what is I value? 1. Let us consider that we entered n value is 9 for example. Now 1 is less than or equivalent to 9. Condition is true. Condition true means it will enter to while, then sum equivalent to, already some value we initialize to 0 first time. 0 plus I value is 1. Then I plus plus. What is I plus plus? 2. Again pass the control, 2 less than or equivalent to 9. Condition 2. Again sum equivalent to, what is sum already? 1 plus I value 2. 3. Then I plus plus 3. Again pass the 3 less than or equivalent to n, nothing but n 9. Condition true. Sum equivalent to already 3 plus 3, 6. Next time 4. Condition true. Next time 5. Condition true. Next time 6. Condition true. Like this loop is going to repeating until the condition is false. After 9, then next time 10. 10 less than or equivalent to our input n values we are considering as 9. Condition false, come out from loop. Then average equivalent to sum. What is 1 to 9? Sum is 45. So divides by n. What is n value here? 9. So sum of values divides by n values. That is called average. Now sum of 1 to percentile d is percentile d n comma sum. First percentile d, this percentile d is a value of n and this percentile d is a value of sum. We are just printing sum of 1 to 9 is n comma sum and average of 1 to 9 is, that is average of 1 to 9 is so and so value that we are printing like this here. So this is an example to be calculating sum and average of 1 to n natural values here. Next we are just coming to another example. Write a C program to print the factorial value of the number, that is n. So what is, how to calculate factorial value of n? As we know that mathematically factorial value of n is nothing but n into n minus 1 n minus 2 like this. Say let us for example, if we entered the input of n, if we entered the input of n is 45, let us for example. Now how will you calculate factorial value of this 5 here? 5 multiplication 4 multiplication 3 multiplication 2 multiplication 1. This is called as factorial value of n, that is 5. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, nothing but multiplication of all the values from n to 1 is called as factorial value of the number. So from this given example, if let's observe this one, we require more values to be multiplied to calculate factorial value of the number. So from this more values, what is our requirement is to be analyzed that starting value, stopping value, then change. What is starting value is given n value. Then stopping is n value, when it is 0 it has to be stopped. What is the change is there between these values? First time 5, next time it should be 4, next time it should be 3, next time it should be 2, next time it should be 1, nothing but every time it has to be decrement 1 value, that is to calculating multiplication of all the values from n to 1. Now we just coming to our program. What is our program here is called as, let's observe this int n, this is called n is input and f is right now we are considering as 1. Why f, this f value is considered as 1 is, so factorial 0 is 1 and that is one reason why we are considering f equivalent to 1. And moreover one more thing is, if you are multiplying any value with 1, there is no change here because we are all n values are multiplied to store in f here. So if f is not declared as 1, then it will have some default value, that is some garbage value. So n value is multiplied with garbage value, you will get garbage value. That's why we are considering as 1 here. Then enter the value of n. Then scanf percentile value of n. Then what is our requirement is multiplication of all the values from n to 1. Nothing but while n greater than 0 or n not equivalent to 0. How you will apply the condition, that is your choice. But n value 0, then it has to be stop the loop here. That's why you can apply the condition either n not equivalent to 0 or n greater than 0. So when n 0, then it has to be stop the loop here. Right now we are considering n value is 5, right? 5 is greater than 0, right? So now f equivalent to, what is f value already we consider as 1. 1 into what is n value? 5. Nothing but 5. Then n minus minus. What is n value? 5 minus 1. 4. 4 greater than 0. Then next time already f value, what is f value? 5. 5 into 4. Nothing but 20. n minus minus 3. Nothing but n value 3 greater than 0. Already f value 20. Multiplication 3. n minus minus 2. And again n minus minus 2 greater than 0. What is already f value? 60. n value 2. 120. n minus minus 1. 1 greater than again 0. Condition is true. Already f value is 120. Multiplication 1. 120. n minus minus again 1 minus 1. 0. 0 greater than 0. Condition is false. Now it will come out from while loop. After come out from while loop, we are just printing the factorial value is percentile f. Whatever value has been stored into the f, what is f value consists there? That is multiplication of all values from n to 1. That is a f value that we are printing here. That is called factorial value of the n. That is what is f value right now? It is going to printing that 120. Here the output is going to printing that the factorial value is 120. When that is, if we entered input n value is 5. If entered n value is 5, then it will print the 120. If entered 6 or something else, it will print that factorial value. So if it is exceeding more than that range of integer value, then you just try to declare as long integer value. So like this, you can just write a programs by using the while loop. So in the next video, we are just coming with the more examples using the while loop mechanism. More logical examples will be going to discussing with the while loop mechanism. So users, if you like this video, please like and share. And for more updated videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you one and all.